That wasn't really the best hanger for that map. I won a Fury. Well, I've won quite a few bots from chests. A couple of Jessies, a couple of Stalkers, 4 or 5 Gepards, a Galahad, a Fury. So I've put my Fury in the hanger with 3 trebs on it. I'm currently upgrading them. They're only low level right now, but you'd be surprised you can do quite a bit of damage. I mean, look, at level 6, 11k. So say you've got 3 at level 6. One blast, 33k. I suppose that's not bad. But then again, you can do that with aphids, I suppose. But this is a sniper, obviously. It can go up to 1100 metres, but let's see what level aphids have got to be. Oh, I took the aphids off, didn't I? Can have a look anyway. There. A level 8 aphid, 13.1k. So imagine a JC with 4 of them on. Could do more damage. Wow. So it's about the same strength. It's the same power as in that. I can't believe it. But it's all about being a sniper, isn't it, with this build, I suppose. So it's for long range sniping. But I'm saving up for a second hanger because I've got so many bots. You know, I need to have a brawling hanger and a sniper hanger. But here's a quick look at all my robots for you, look, if you want to look. Oh, and the dock. I forgot to mention that. That's another thing I won in a silver chest. So, that's the one Gepard that I bought myself. The rest of them came in bronze chest, except one came in a silver chest. The Stalkers, one came in a bronze chest, one came in a silver chest. The Galahad came in a silver chest. I got 2 Jessies, they both came in silver chests. All but one Gepard came in bronze chest. The Doc came in a silver chest. I've had Boas and Griffins as well from silver chests, but I don't count them because they're just silver bots. Like the other Stalker, the other Jessie. And that's the Jessie that I bought myself. Anyway, so there you go. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.